Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone to your Insta360 X5. Go into Insta360 application and wait for it to start completely. Now click this icon and connect to your device. Wait for it. Got it. And as you can see, connect, allow. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.